Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nay. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is going to be my baby shower haul. If you guys are new here, I am 38 weeks pregnant with my first child, a little baby girl who is due any single minute now. I just wanted to show you guys everything that I got for my baby shower. It was a drive-by baby shower, and I just wanted to give a big thank you to everybody who came by and showered us with gifts, and everybody who sent gifts through the mail as well. Everything is so appreciated, and I just really wanted to say thank you to everybody. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button to join the family. We would love to have you guys. But yeah, let's just go ahead and show you all the beautiful gifts that baby girl received. The first things I'm going to show you guys are from our friend Aaron. He sent us over a package since he wasn't able to make it to the baby shower, but he sent us my breast friend, which is a nursing pillow, and I'm really grateful for that, so thank you so much. He also sent us two little books, and one of them is her first Bible and the other one is her first book of prayers, and I'm so excited that he sent us these. These are so precious. I can't wait to read them to her. And he also gave us $75 in our diaper fund on Amazon, so thank you so much. That is truly appreciated. So the next thing I'm going to share with you guys is from my dad and his girlfriend, and they actually got us a baby tub, and they filled it with lots of little goodies. There's like little towels and washcloths in here. They also gave us like a lot of candy and snacks. They also gave us some baby lotion and baby shampoo. They also gave us the little boppy. It's for her head, like a little head support, which is really nice. And they have been gifting us throughout this entire journey with lots of baby clothes and lots of love and lots of little things that we know we're gonna need and use on a daily basis. So thank you, Dad. Thank you, Lori. They also stocked us up on hand sanitizer, which is amazing. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out there, but we are so grateful for our little baby tub. This package we got is from Carlos's friends Keith and his wife Alyssa. So thank you guys so much for sending us so many baby clothes. They sent us so much cute stuff, you guys, and of course some diapers, which is really nice. So thank you guys. Lots of little headbands, bibs. They also sent us a grooming kit, which is so sweet of them. We actually really needed this because we didn't have any nail clippers or anything like that, so thank you guys. Little shorts, little ruffly leggings, lots of cute little baby clothes. This one is so adorable. It's Thumper. I love it. They also sent us some sleepers and some little pacifiers. So thank you guys so much for all the kind gifts. So the next things I have to share with you are actually from Carlos's family in Colorado, in Denver, his cousin. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys. That's so appreciative. It's so sweet of you guys as well. And yeah, we're just so thankful for all the love. I'm super excited that they got us this, which is just a little skip hop. It's a portable sound machine. So I'm super stoked about this, just so that way we can carry it with us when we take her on car rides and all that good stuff. I've heard nothing but good things about Sound Machine. They got us some Huggies wipes, which is really nice. They also got us a pack of diapers, which are back there as well. And they gifted us these little flannel blankets. They're so sweet. Everything that they gifted us was from our registry, so I thought that was extra special. They also gifted us a drying rack from the brand Munchkin, as well as a little bottle brush. So thank you guys so much. We appreciate and love you guys to the moon and back. The next gift is from our friends Ryan and Rayanne. They got us this little diaper caddy, which I think is super cute. It says baby on it. They also gifted us a little elephant, which is so adorable. I love that. They gave us a little toy for her, which I think is just darling. She doesn't have too many toys right now, so I'm very grateful for that. They also gifted us some pacifiers as well. A cute little onesie set, which I think is adorable. I love these like little ruffle sleeves, and the prints on them are just darling. One of my favorite things is actually this blanket. It's so pretty. It has peaches all over it. It's reversible and it is so soft. like so soft, you guys. I love this. So thank you guys so much. We definitely appreciate all the love and all the support. So the next gift that I have to share with you is from my friend Yvette. So thank you so much, Yvette. You are so sweet for everything. My friend has 2 girls herself and they're just precious. So I'm so excited to be having play dates very, very soon. She gifted us some diapers, which you know we're gonna need. So thank you. She also gifted us this really cute little blanket. It says Daddy's Little Princess. And she gifted us some baby lotion and some diaper rash cream, which thank you, thank you, thank you. We're definitely gonna be needing that. She also gave us this cute little hair bow. I love how huge it is, and baby girl is gonna be here right before 4th of July, so hopefully this fits her head by then, because I feel like that would be the perfect little accessory to her ensemble. So thank you so much for that. And she also gifted us lots of baby clothes. So here's some of them for you. Here's this like little onesie set, little mini with the little leggings in the back. This one is so adorable. It's Dumbo and the little striped rainbow leggings, little onesie set. This dress is so darling, like oh my gosh, so cute. The perfect little Tiffany blue color as well. And she also gave us some receiving blankets. So thank you so much. I love you and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And next gift is from one of my mom's best friends. She's actually a family friend. I've known her my entire life and she picked some of the cutest things, you guys. Like the second I opened this, I knew it was from her. So thank you so much, Marty and the Roland family, for everything. We appreciate it so much. They got us these little bibs with these little booties on it, and it says I got it from my mama, little bows, and this one is darling. It has little lashes on it and says hello gorgeous. I think it's so precious. This one is so cute. It's a little onesie set and it says free spirit. It has like a little tribal print, and this one is darling. It looks like she has like a little purse on her. So cute. This one has little gold shoes. It looks like a little necklace and some little striped leggings. This one is so precious. It says sweet baby girl on it with the floral print. It has some like little florally patterns and it's just so cute, and I love the little ruffle detailing on the sleeves. This one, you guys, is probably one of my favorites. So cute. Look at it. It's like a little cheetah with a flower crown, a little cheetah onesie, and a little floral print onesie as well, and I love this color scheme. It's so adorable. She also gifted us some clothes for when baby girl gets older as well, which I truly appreciate. So these ones are 18 months and it's just a little sparkly dress with unicorns all over it, so I think it's cute, and it also comes with the little bloomers as well. And this one is so precious. It has clouds on it all over with a little bow and some pink leggings. So thank you so much, Marty. We appreciate it. I just wanted to say a quick thank you to my grandma's coworker who also gifted us with a baby blanket. I would take it out and show you guys, but it's really big and it takes a while to put it back in here, but it's super warm and we're just so grateful. She also gave us like a couple of onesies and hand knitted some little hats for her, but I don't have those on me right now, so I just wanted to say thank you so much for all your gifts. This next gift here is from my friend Eva, so thank you so much, Eva. She's actually expecting her first child, a little baby boy, pretty soon here. I'm so excited to go shopping for her little one when the time comes, but I just wanted to say thank you. She gave us this beautiful little like eyelet dress with some pink little leggings. She also gave us this super cute sleeper, which I think is just adorable. And this blanket, you guys, is beautiful. I love the color and the like quilted pattern on it. I honestly wish this was big enough to use as my comforter. I think it's adorable and so stinking cute, so thank you so much, Eva. I love you. This next little gift is from my mom's best friend, Sandra. Sandra also gifted us some wipes and some diapers that are back there as well as a baby bouncer. So thank you so much, Sandra, for all those gifts. The baby bouncer I actually have put away right now, but I will be showing you guys when we build it and everything. It's so cute. So I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate it. And yeah, she got us a little nasal aspirator, which we're definitely going to be using. She also gave us some infant's Tylenol. She actually just had a baby in November, really close to my birthday, so she already knows what's up and knows what we're going to need. So thank you. I appreciate it. And she also gave us this cute little onesie, you guys. It looks like it has like little tattooed sleeves, and it just says mom on it, and it says I love mom. I think it's so darling and so cute, as well as this little bunny. Thank you guys so much, Sandra, Hector, Elijah, and baby Andrea. We love you guys. Okay guys, so we are nearing the end, but there's still a lot of gifts to get through. This one here is from my mom's coworkers, Raina and Liz. And I've known them for a very long time. They're super sweet, and I think it's so nice of them that they handmade a blanket for baby girl. Like, this is so adorable. Thank you so much, you guys. Like, I love it. It's handmade, like made with so much love. So thank you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So the next gift is from our really good friends Manny, Savannah, and their 2 children, Ezekiel and Zion, and we were just with them yesterday and had so much fun. So I love you guys. But they gifted us this cute little avocado stroller toy, or little car seat toy, which I think is just like so darling. Like, I love it. And they picked us out the cutest little outfits. This one is a little sundress. It has little daisies on it, and it comes with a little denim hat as well. They also got us this little lemon romper, and if you guys have no clue, I'm obsessed with lemons right now for some weird, odd reason. But yeah, I think it's so cute, and I love that she can also wear the hat for the lemon one as well. So thank you so much, Manny, Savannah, Ezekiel, and Zion. We love you guys, but you guys already know that. This next gift is from Carlos's friend Chris and his wife Andrea. Thank you guys so much for your gift. We love it. They gifted us these little spoons, which are super sweet because they actually turn white if it's too hot or too cold, which is really, really nice and handy to have. And they also gifted us a baby monitor. So thank you guys so much. We appreciate it, and we are so excited for your guys' journey on becoming parents, and we cannot wait to see what you guys are having, because we are so excited to bless you guys in return. So yeah. Love you guys. Alright guys, so this next gift is from one of Carlos's best friends, Josh. Thank you, Josh. We appreciate it so much. He got us some little baby socks, which is super, super sweet of him. She needed more socks, so thank you. And he also gifted us these super cute onesies, which I think are just darling. They come in different patterns and everything, so I think that's so sweet, and I love the colors of them as well. So thank you so much, Josh. We appreciate it. This next gift is from one of Carlos's sisters, his sister Stephanie. She actually gifted us a lot of things that I'm probably going to show you guys in another vlog or another video, because it's just so much. So thank you so much, Steph, for all of that stuff. But she did come by at the baby shower and dropped us off a couple more gifts that she had for us. And this one is a little book called Why a Daughter Needs a Dad. This is so sweet for Carlos to read to Adelina, and I honestly opened it up to take a peek at the book, and I got to the first page and I wanted to start crying. So I know it's going to be an emotional book, but it's going to be a super sweet book for them to bond over. So thank you so much. She also gifted us some little washcloths that were also on our registry, so thank you so much, because we definitely needed those. The next thing that I have to show you guys is from my cousin Liz, or my dad's cousin Liz, and she just gifted us a little shower set, as well as a box of diapers and a box of wipes, which are probably sitting behind me. And we got lots of diapers and lots of wipes for the baby shower, so thank you guys to everybody. I'll be reading a list of everybody who gifted us diapers and wipes at the very end of this video, so thank you guys we definitely appreciate all of it. So this next gift is from my Grandma Yoli. So thank you so much, Grandma. She actually gifted us some cash as well, so that way we could go ahead and get everything else that we need for baby girl. So thank you. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love you so much. She gave us this little mouse ballerina, which I think is so sweet. It definitely reminds me of the Nutcracker for some reason. She knows my love for dance. I mean, she's witnessed it, so I think it's so cute, and I think that this is so sweet. Next thing she gave us is a little onesie set with a little tutu that has little pom-poms in it, and it also has a little shirt on the other side as well. Also gifted us some little headbands, some little shoes that look very similar to ballet shoes, some little socks, as well as a blanket. Looks exactly like something my Grandma Yoli would love, so thank you so much, Grandma. I appreciate everything that you have done for me and for baby girl. We love you so much. So this next gift is from Carlos's two sisters, Rose and Elisa, as well as his Thea Lorraine and his cousin Monica. So we just want to say thank you guys. We appreciate it so much. They got us a little onesie set, which I think is adorable. I said before I'm obsessed with lemons, so I think it's so cute. It also comes with a little bumblebee one, which I think is darling. If you guys don't know, I'm actually allergic to bees, so I think it's kind of cute. And this other little pretty white and pink one. They actually got us the Owlet sleep sock, which we are so grateful for. This thing is amazing, you guys. Like, the reviews are just through the roof, and we're so excited to use this. This is like the #1 thing that I wanted when I found out that I was expecting. Thank you guys so much. We appreciate it. We know this was definitely a pricey gift, so thank you. We love you to the moon and back. Alright guys, so we are nearing down to the very end, and this gift is from Carlos's cousin Rafa and his girlfriend Andrea. So we just wanted to say a big thank you to you guys. We love you. You guys are so sweet for everything that you've gotten us. I will start off with the clothes that they got us. They got us this onesie set, which I think is adorable. It says little girl big heart, and it has little cherries on some of them, little flowers, little strawberries, and this one says I love you cherry much. They also gifted us a little pack of long sleeve onesies, which I think are adorable. They're just in pastel colors, little florals, little polka dot prints, and yeah, so sweet. Also gifted us this muslin swaddle, which I think is darling. It's just white and has gold hearts all over it. They gifted us the Boone grass drying rack, as well as the little poke and stems that go on here to dry the bottles and all of that good stuff. And I actually heard a lot of good reviews about this one, so I'm excited to put it to use and see how I like it. Also got us a little zebra wall decor, which I think is so stinking cute. And they also gifted us a pack of diapers. These are the 7th generation diapers, and I'm excited to try these out because we got a lot of different brands, but this is the only one that we got of 7th generation, so I'm super excited to see how we like these. Before I end this video, I want to show you guys all of the diapers that we have gotten. So here they are. We actually have a ton more, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I have about 5 or 6 boxes of Pampers Swaddlers that my mom has gifted us as well. I just want to say thank you to Sandra and Hector who gifted us diapers, my Uncle Tino and Aunt Erica who gifted us diapers, my Uncle Anson and my Aunt Jennifer who gifted us diapers, Rafa and Andrea who gifted us diapers. I also want to thank my cousin Liz for gifting us diapers as well, and I feel like I'm forgetting somebody. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who's gifted us diapers and who blessed us in this journey of ours. We are so excited to bring baby girl into the world in just a little over a week now. We actually know when she's coming and her arrival and all of that. I will be updating you guys in a video coming shortly, probably right after this one. And I also wanted to say thank you to my mom who has gifted us our car seat, our stroller, a ton of clothes, a ton of diapers, and she's just been so supportive this entire time. So thank you so much, Mom. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and there's no way that I can ever repay you, and I'm just so excited to be on this motherhood journey myself. So yeah, you guys, that completes today's video. I just wanted to give a big thank you to everybody who supported us on this journey. We love you guys. We appreciate you. I'm sure I've said that throughout this entire video, but I promise you I cannot say it enough. We'll definitely show you guys a lot of other gifts that we have received as well in another vlog. I have gifts from Carl's sister Steph, our friend Richard as well, who gifted us a boppy newborn lounger as well as some socks and a little toy for her. I just don't have those on hand to show you guys, but I will definitely be showing you guys in another video. So yeah. Whew, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody. We love you guys so much. And yeah, please give this video a big fat thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out and my channel out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know some baby must-haves and essentials, and I will definitely be adding those to my list as well. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Peace and love to you always, and I hope to see you in my next video. See you later, alligator. Bye!